everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I've already dumped it out, but I have the October IPSY Glam Bag for the month of October. This is what happens when I don't film for like an entire month. I come back and I cannot speak. Today we're going to be doing a full unboxing and review of the October IPSY Glam Bag, and I'm really excited because IPSY always has the cutest bags in October. I'll get into that in a bit, but if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload at this point monthly, but it's going to be more, I promise. So make sure to keep on watching. So as I said, the theme is always very October, Halloween-y. Love the little bat bag. I still have the vampire bag from a few years ago, the spider bag, the acid green poison bag. Like, I get IPSY bags every single month, and then I have a big bag of them in my closet, and whenever friends come over and I give them makeup from PR and stuff, I always put it in the IPSY bags as like a here, take it with you, and I never give away the October bags. That and the Clueless Cher Horowitz yellow plaid, that one I also still have. There are a few that I'm never getting rid of, and the Halloween ones are always the ones I save. So the bag is already a win for me. We're gonna jump in and see if this bag is worth your, I'm gonna round now because every month I say a price and there's somebody in the comments, it's not always the same person, but somebody is always like, for me it's this much, I have this much extra in taxes. In Canada they charge us shipping, and you're not wrong. So the $13 bag is what it's advertised at. There are people who are like, well, for me, it's $20. So I'm going to start using the maximum that I've seen people comment it costs them when I talk about the value of the bag. Because sometimes, yeah, it's a $13 bag, but is it a $20 bag? I don't know, but we're going to find out. So when I say, is this bag worth it? I'm saying if I took $20 and I went to Ulta, Sephora, Target, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you buy your beauty products, would I be better off spending $20 on something I know I want or getting this bag? And we're going to find out today what that is. So, also a reminder, I do get this in PR. This is sent to me for reviewing purposes. You are going to get 100% honesty out of me. You're not going to get any bullshit, but they're not paying me for my review. They're just sending me the bag. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. Jumping right in, the first product out of the bag is a trial size of the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I have used this product. I've received it in probably a BoxyCharm or a FabFitFun or something, but I have used the full size of this product, and it is good. I would say that there are Glow Enzyme Mask products that I like more, but it's not bad. It's definitely very clean in ingredients. I think the Versed Doctor's Visit Enzyme Exfoliating Mask I like a little bit more. Dr. Dennis Gross, Shani Darden, Olga Lorenzen, they all have these glowy enzyme masks, and I like those ones quite a bit more. So not bad for if I'm going on an overnight and I want to have a glow mask the night before an event. Really good to have these things on hand. However, not my favorite. Next, from the brand Half Caked, this is they claim it's a blush brush. When I opened the bag, I thought that this was a Luxie brush because it definitely looks like it could be a Luxie brush. Tell me I'm wrong. But I don't love this shape for blush. It's too small and a little too dense. I like this if you're going to underpaint with cream contour. I love this shape brush for powdering the under eyes, not for blush, but I am not going to hold it against them if they call this a blush brush. It feels very soft, it feels nice and dense, and I feel like it would blend things out nicely. Because it's domed, I feel like you're going to get more of that blended line, which is why I'm saying contour. When it comes to a blush brush, I want something that I can sort of pat on. Something with a flat angle is usually what I go for. Next, this is the Rosa blush from the brand, I can't even read what that brand says. I believe it's Reina Rebel, but it's in an Enneagram where it's the same upside down and backwards. I cannot read that legibly, but it is a pretty cute neutral blush. I think my issue with a blush like this is that this will work if you are my complexion or lighter. If you're any darker than me, this will have no purpose to you, and I hate when the tones are not universal, so that is going to be a pass from me. And the next two products I have used already, not out of the bag like in the past. The first is from Avant. This is the Collagen Hyaluronic and Niacinamide Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. It is a serum. It is not a bad serum. Avant is very expensive, but I do want to use this opportunity to talk about IPSY, BoxyCharm, and packaging. So if you go to Avant's website, their products are very pricey, and they always come in these really luxe feeling jars. And then when they come in IPSY and BoxyCharm, we get them in these little tubes. And I am absolutely not mad at that. And I do want to touch on that because I've seen comments in my comment section before where people talk about how it's not the real product or it's a different product. I don't mind when the packaging is different if I'm getting the same juice inside, if that makes sense. So when it comes to a product like this, they are looking at cost. So say they sell this for, I'm going to use fake numbers just because it's easier for math. Say they sell this for $10 and it costs them $1 to make it. But if they put it in the fancy jar, it costs them $2 to make it. IPSY's not going to be able to get as expensive products into the box if they're spending an extra dollar per product on the package. Now, a lot of people are like, wait, only $2 out of the price is actually what the product costs? The answer is yes, because they're also talking about marketing and outside packaging. There's no box on this. It's just the package loose. So all of those are additional costs that they're cutting so that they can have a higher quality product in the box. That does not mean it's not going to be the same serum. It just means that they're going to typically have a less expensive, less luxe version of the package. And I have noticed if you're going to get the luxe packaging, it's usually going to be an overstock product where the brand already had it and sent them extra. It's been quite some time since we've seen that kind of stuff in IPSY and BoxyCharm. Lately, it's been a lot of just like less product packaging. The next product I'm going to talk about is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a mascara. It is a trial size, and it came without a box. Boxes are expensive. Boxes are another cost, and it might be like 5 cents or whatever it is. When you're doing 500,000 units, that adds up, and I'd rather them put that, $25,000 after, all of the subscriber boxes and put that into another product, if that makes sense. Anyway, this is the Lash Sculpt Mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a really good mascara for people who love volume in their lashes, who really like a thick coated lash. I do not, so I'm going to be dropping that in my giveaway bin because I personally like skinny, tiny little wands. I like a lot of length and curl. I do not like volume in my mascara because it makes my eyes look clumpy, and if I want more volume, I'm going to put on a false lash. That's just my mentality. I know there are people who don't like falsies. I'm not one of those people. So for me, I am happy with a lift and curl, separate mascara, no volume necessary. So I can say if you like the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, this pays for the value of the bag on its own. I think the brush is very promising. And again, Avant is a phenomenal product. So I would say that this is probably pushing that $20 value when all things come together. I think it's good, not great. I love that there's a mascara in there. I love getting mascaras in IPSY. I'm now a very good friend with Leslie, the CEO and founder of Beauty for Real. But I originally found their mascara through an IPSY bag long before I met Leslie. And now, as you know, that is my holy grail ride or die mascara. So it's definitely a way of finding products that I know I love and know I'm going to enjoy. However, this one is just not for me. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear your opinions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!